we would like to give a special thanks to MGA for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Moj Moj. What exactly is a Moj Moj? Well, from the look of this box, it's something cute. Yeah, that is adorable! Moj Moj. So soft, so cute, so moj. So now we know they are soft and cute. We gotta check this out, and this looks like a giant claw machine. So, let's use these giant coins. At the top, it says, insert coin here. Okay. Once you're down, you think you'll never get up. That was cool. Now we can grab a Moj Moj. On the package, it says, Moj Moj, so soft, so cute, so moj. There are over 95 to collect and trade. We can trade those doubles. And it says that this is series Happy Face. Let's open this and see what's inside. Inside we have little tiny squishies. Just gotta get them out of the plastic. Here we go. Oh, wow! It is so squishy. Ah, that is crazy. It looks like it's sticking. I have to peel it off. Oh, wow. Okay, that's kind of cool. This one looks like a cute little green bunny. Has a little tail and some ears. And this one looks like a blue hedgehog. Ah! A squishy blue hedgehog. That's a new one. Included with the Moj Moj, there is a collector's guide. But on one side, it's like a really cool poster. That's awesome. Then we flip it over and we can see all of the items in the series. They are divided into collections, and some are labeled rare and ultra rare. There is an Adventure Seekers collection, Party Animals, Happy Campers, Sunbathers, Couch Potatoes, Daydreamers. And I do believe that is a unicorn! A rainbow unicorn. But it has a little blue diamond next to it, and that one too, which means that they are rare. Why? So now, of course, I am looking for that unicorn. This package is very colorful. It looks like the perfect place for a rainbow unicorn. I mean, just saying. And inside we have... No, these are definitely not unicorns. This looks like a panda. Is that what it is? No, a dog? It's that one. And those are pandas right there. We have a few pandas down here, so that could possibly be a panda. And the other one is a blue fuzzball with eyes. Look at that! It's an ultra rare! I'm feeling pretty confident about those unicorns right about now. Up next, we have... This is a pink bird from the Couch Potatoes collection. And this looks like a gray penguin from Adventure Seekers. That is so cool, how they stick. Given their squishy, rubbery nature, I'm thinking that you would want to keep these away from dust. Like if they fall on the floor, there is a high chance that everything will stick to them. I've been looking over the collector's card, and at this point, I think I would be very, very happy if I could just get one of those cats. Do you see how cute those little sunbather cats are? And I love the chicks. Their simplicity is adorable. All right, please let this be a sunbathing cat. Yes, sir, the cat. No, that is definitely not one of the cats. And this is something else. I think it's a bunny. From Daydreamers, it is a rare sleeping bunny. It has a little white flower and its eyes are closed. How cute is that? I probably shouldn't squish the bunny while it's sleeping, but it's just so squishy. And this orange one is Reminds me of like a slug, but I think it is a seal. Wow, yeah, it definitely has some slug-like qualities here. Yep, it's a seal from Sunbathers. We've got a nice little collection so far and no doubles, so that's good. The next little Moj Moj to join the party is a sleeping cat, a bathing cat. No, and that one looks different than the other ones. Oh, a starfish! The starfish is very cute and super squishy. And looking through the package at this one, it looks very different. It is kind of like a jelly look. You can almost see through it a little bit. It is a rare squirrel. So we got 2 rare ones. Our sleeping bunny and the jelly squirrel. And 1 ultra rare from Party Animals. And we are down to our very last Moj Moj. I wonder what it is. Please be a cat. Okay. Ooh, purple. We don't have that color yet. That's cool. And is it another jelly one? Let's open this one first because it looks special. Yeah, it's another little jelly one. From Party Animals, I think this is the blue bear. However, his muzzle is painted and his is not. But that one looks the closest. And the purple one is... I think it's that one. I can't tell. What kind of animal is that supposed to be? I think it's a cat. Well, whatever it is, it's still squishy. And we have no doubles. You can expect to see Moj Moj hitting stores in Amazon by early May with a suggested retail price of $3.99. Wow, these are so squishy. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Moj Moj. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.